Hydration is the first step to glowing skin. Follow us today.
Dark circle eraser.
Anti-aging. Magic wand.
Instant glow.
Hey everyone, are you tired of dark circles? Meet the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Let's hear from some users.
It's like a magic wand for my dark circles.
I love the anti-aging formula. It really works. With multiple shades, there's a perfect match for everyone.
My skin instantly feels refreshed and looks bright.
So say goodbye to dark circles and hello to bright eyes. Grab your Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser today for just $8.99.
Picture this. Waking up looking tired and those fine lines creeping in. Not anymore. I found the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and it changed my game. With its multi-shade options, I always find my perfect match. But here's the magic. It's infused with pomegranate extract. Translation? It blurs those annoying dark circles like poof, and it tackles fine lines too. Grab yours now for just $8.99. Trust me, your morning routine will thank you.
In the quiet moments, home becomes a sanctuary. Introducing the Apotheca White Vetiver Reed Diffuser, where luxury meets simplicity. Crafted with perfume-grade oils and natural rattan reeds, it's designed to fill your space with elegance, effortlessly. Customize your scent, whether you're cozying up in the bedroom or hosting in the living room. White Vetiver blends silky cashmere, crisp eucalyptus, and earthy vetiver, crafted for moments that matter. Simple to use, long-lasting, because your home deserves fragrance that lasts as long as your moments. Apotheca White Vetiver, where every breath transforms your house into a home.
Feel like your home needs a little magic? The Brooklyn Fragrance Co. White Gardenia Diffuser is my secret weapon for creating an instant cozy vibe. With 6 sticks, it fills my space with a luxurious aroma, enhancing every moment. For just $20.99, transform your home into a haven of tranquility today.